Hi, and welcome to my today's podcast. This is special because I have somebody who has just not been treating your teeth, but also has been a living example for all of us, telling us how to live healthy and live for yourself. I have Dr. Vivek Sagar. Hello, sir. How are
Hi,
you?
how are you? Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to come and maybe रूबरू होना सबके साथ.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure. हम अभी बात कर रहे थे and I found it to be so nice and so educative for myself too when you told me that you have your timings fixed, that is till from 8 a.m. up till 3 p.m.
Yeah.
So for doctors, especially doctors like you who are so busy and has got roaring practice and they have limited their time. How did this happen and why did this happen?
See, I believe you need to enjoy everything. You need to enjoy your work, and you have a responsibility in life to your family and to yourself also. So that's important. We keep on working, and we do. I believe doctors work because they enjoy it, but everybody earns money also. But if you earn money and you don't have time to spend it, what is the fun of earning it?
Of course, yeah.
And to be very honest, when you are doing in a monotonous thing like from morning till evening, you get mentally drained out. So
Yeah.
you need to pursue other hobbies, other
But
responsibilities.
acknowledging that is a big thing.
I think we are blessed if we can acknowledge that. It's very important. Believe me, it's very important. Doctors do it. Patients need it, no doubt about it. There are many professions like cardiology or others where you have real emergencies. As dentists, we do have emergencies, but they're very sparse. It would be mostly like this, Doc Sahab, I'm having pain for 2 3 days, but now it's severe. I always says, what were you doing for 2 3 days?
Yeah,
You're
right.
just waiting for it to blow up. Then it's an emergency at 10:30. You need to call me up and please help me. So that's the type of, unless it's an accident, unless something else. Otherwise, we don't have that many emergencies. So maybe we can have our timings.
Exactly what you said, and I think this is my first question which I would like to ask कि क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो साइलेंटली आज के टाइम पे लोगों के टीथ को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रही है?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि लोग दांतों का ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं. दे टेक देम वेरी कैजुअली. ठीक है. और सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम जो है, जो स्नैकिंग, फ्रीक्वेंट स्नैकिंग. हम अपने मेजर मील्स खाते हैं विच वी नीड टू, बट वी कीप ऑन मंचिंग इन बिटवीन. दैट्स द वर्स्ट थिंग विच यू आर डूइंग विद योर टीथ.
ओके.
इफ़ आई हैव टू टेल यू व्हाई, इसका सिंपल एक जो साइंटिफिक रीज़न है कि जब भी हम कुछ खाते हैं ना, हमारे मुंह में पीएच फॉल कर जाता है. पीएच मींस एसिडिक हो जाता है, एंड द एसिड करोड्स योर एनामल. सो इट टेक्स हाफ एन आवर. और सलाइवा जो होता है दैट इज़ फुल ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट आयंस. बफर है. भगवान ने सिस्टम ऐसा बनाया है कि जितना डैमेज एक लेयर को, एनामल लेयर को हुआ है, उतने का उतना इमीडिएटली वो करेक्ट हो जाता है. बट दैट्स अ हाफ एन आवर प्रोसीजर, 30 35 मिनट्स प्रोसीजर. बट अगर हम फ्रीक्वेंट स्नैकिंग करते जाएंगे तो हमारा पीएच लेवल ऑफ आवर माउथ ऑलवेज रिमेन्स लो.
राइट.
दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डैमेजिंग आवर टीथ.
सो एक्चुअली हमें ब्रश कितनी बार करना चाहिए, लाइक मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग और आफ्टर एवरी मील?
देखिए, अगर हम प्रैक्टिकली देखें तो हमें सिर्फ मिनिमम 2 बार करना ज़रूरी है. बट अगर हम कुछ खाते हैं, हर हर खाने के बाद हमें ब्रश करना चाहिए, विच इज़
अच्छा.
नॉट पॉसिबल.
यस.
सो विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल.
एज यू सेड, लोग स्नैक तो करते ही करते हैं, देन दे वुड नॉट बी ब्रशिंग देयर टीथ.
देखिए, it is not possible. So we always recommend that you need to brush
Have
minimum twice a
limited
day.
food also.
No, we need to see. I think it's good for health also. If we are
Yes.
doing a lot of snacking, that is not good for health. But let me tell you, it is not good for your teeth, for sure.
It's so right, like the way you have put up. Me as a dietitian, I keep on telling people that okay, yes, have small meals, but your major meals, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner is important. So if you're just focusing on those three meals, the body has been made in this structure,
Yes,
every organ and every like teeth. God has made it this frame that
yes,
even the body doesn't want you to keep on munching.
100%.
Yeah.
ये तो हम अभी सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं मंचिंग की. Second thing is, what are we eating? That is also important, and maybe in this
Right.
podcast we'll discuss that also.
Certainly, certainly. So, sir, what is the changing trend जो आपने देखा है since you've been practicing since last 35 years in your OPD when you started and now the patients, their diseases, what has been the major change?
मैं ये कहूँगा our generation या what we are seeing is we have somehow copied America, the Western habits, and that holds true for diet also, for our teeth also. 34 years ago when I started my practice, the younger generation usually had good teeth, and that include even the older people. But today the patients which I see are very young, even 2-year-olds, 1.5-year-olds, and the teens have really bad teeth. So let's say if I have to put it in a very easy way, maybe 34 years back अगर मैं देखता था तो 10 में से I would say 17s would have maybe 1 or 2 cavities. Overall teeth would be good, but now 7 out of 10 would have nearly all the teeth with decay, and very few would have good teeth.
अच्छा.
So this is basically because we are aping the West. Our diet has changed, and all these stuck foods, they cause a lot of damage to our teeth.
So as you mentioned, कि when a 2-year-old kid is coming to you, why? Dietary?
There are few myths, and I would say people, as I said earlier also, people are still not aware of what they should do. मैं देखता हूँ कि पेरेंट्स आते हैं and all the teeth are bad, and I say ब्रश कब करवाया? ये तो अभी 6 months पहले करवाया. मैं कहा दांत आए को कितनी देर हो गई है? 3 साल हो गए. So mothers, parents are not aware that the moment the teeth come into the mouth, they erupt, you need to start cleaning them. और सबसे दूसरी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इज बॉटल, एंड अगेन मदर्स एंड फादर्स आर अनअवेयर ऑफ दैट. बच्चे को आप आजकल दैट कंसेप्ट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग इज गोइंग डाउन, सो यू फीड देम विद द बॉटल्स, एंड द इजीएस्ट वे इज, सी बच्चा मांगेगा क्या करेगा? इट विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग. ठीक है ना? तो वो हैबिट बन जाती है. आप उसको चुप कराने के लिए बॉटल मुंह में डाल देते हो, एंड द चाइल्ड स्लीप्स. यू रिमूव द बॉटल, बट द बिगेस्ट डैमेज इज दैट लास्ट घूंट जो होता है ना, वो मिल्क का, उसमें हो सकता है शुगर भी डाली हो, वो मुंह में. सो नाउ यू जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपके दांत हैं और आपने शुगर सिरप में उनको डुबो के रखा हुआ फॉर टाइम. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज अर्ली caries or bottle fed syndrome. And nobody bothers. दांत काले होते हैं. जब बच्चा पेन में होता है, then you come up, and by that time the teeth, the milk teeth are so small. Normally you will have a caries जो decay जिसको कहते हैं, which is on the chewing surface, right? यहाँ तो चारों तरफ होता है. It's something like you have this wall which is bad, you have that wall which is bad, all 4 walls. And sometimes when the small child, it is very difficult to work.
Oh.
So sometimes we are unable to help to that extent what we want to do. So this is lack of awareness, I would say.
Absolutely. But sometimes I've seen that some people are there who are actually taking care of their teeth. They brush twice a day, but still they have cavities.
I know what you're coming at. So आप कहना चाहते हो कि लोग कहते हैं जी मैं तो 2 बार ब्रश करता हूँ, फिर मेरे को कैविटीज़ क्यों होती हैं? That's a very good question जी. Excellent question. बट इसका आंसर मैं पहले भी आपको दे चुका हूँ कुछ हद तक. आइडियली जब भी हम कुछ खाते हैं हमें ब्रश करना चाहिए उसके बाद. ठीक है? वी कांट डू दैट, वी डू इट प्रैक्टिकली, बट दैट्स नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज फॉर एनी कैविटी टू अकर यू नीड 4 थिंग्स. यू नीड अ टूथ सबस्ट्रेट, वो तो हमारे मुंह में है. यू नीड मॉइस्चर, सलाइवा है, गीला है. ठीक है? यू नीड फूड एंड यू नीड बैक्टीरिया. सो इसमें एक ही फैक्टर है जो हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द फूड. बाकी तीनों तो रहने हैं.
राइट.
तो हम ब्रश करेंगे, क्लीन करेंगे, फ्लॉस करेंगे, फूड निकाल देंगे, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. प्लस दीज आर प्रॉब्लम्स, बट देन देयर आर मेनी अदर फैक्टर्स. लाइक मैं आपको बता, जैसे आपसे पहले मैंने कहा, आई हैव टुडे आल्सो आई हैव फ्यू पेशेंट्स हु आर 80+, एंड इफ आई आस्क दे डोंट हैव अ वेरी गुड हैबिट्स.
ओके.
ना ब्रशिंग करनी है, मतलब नॉट दैट regular with also कर लिया नहीं, they don't have a cavity.
So could it be hereditary also?
Yes, that's what I'm coming to.
Okay.
That's what I'm coming to.
Okay.
A lot of when I see the question you asked, I've had many patients in my career which I know I have been seeing them regularly, 6 months, 1 year, but every time they come they have something new. So these are the patients who are really following the regime, ध्यान रखते हैं अपना, प्रॉपर करते हैं फिर क्यों होता है? That's the genetics. And
Genetics.
when I take a history, they would say my mother lost her teeth very early or my father lost his teeth very. So that's one factor. But see, with technology, with as you get educated, awareness aati hai. Now maybe their parents lost their teeth at the age of 30 or 40, but you can maintain them for a longer
Because
duration by
there are
taking
much
care.
better things now
Yes,
coming up.
by taking care and having them treated at the right time.
So is bleeding gums normal or it's a warning sign?
It's a warning sign. It's a symptom of a disease. It's not normal. Absolutely not normal. But the problem with our society here is we don't have any preventive dentistry still, right? My patients, 95% of the patients only come when you have a problem.
राइट
Right.
जब पेन शुरू हो जाती
हाँ,
है और
तभी
वो
आते
आपसे
हैं। हाँ।
सहा नहीं जाता, तब जाके आप
तभी
एक
आते हैं।
डेंटिस्ट के पास आते
5% हैं जो रेगुलर चेकअप के लिए आते हैं. And maybe 5%, in that 5% you have the ones like the family which comes के इनको भी चेक कर लो, and that's how we come to know about a problem. So as far as gums is concerned, bleeding is definitely a symptom. It's something, it's a part of a disease. और होता क्या है, हम पता है एक नॉर्मल इंसान क्या सोचता है, मैंने ज़ोर से एप्पल खा लिया होगा या मैंने ज़ोर से ब्रश कर लिया होगा, that's why it bled.
राइट
And we ignore it. So it's a warning sign. And if we are really interested, the moment it happens, you need to go and visit a dentist. But the problem with this our society is people feel कि if I will go to a doctor, मेरे को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो, मेरी प्रॉब्लम निकाल देगा. Believe me. ठीक है ना, वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम निकाल देगा, मेरे लिए ये बता देगा, ये बता, मेरे को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
हाँ, ऐसे में झंझट में पड़ जाऊंगा.
झंझट में पड़ जाएंगे.
और बाद में जो बाद का जो प्रॉब्लम
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
जो शायद अभी एक छोटी सी
छोटी सी
सिटिंग में
problem.
निकल
Definitely,
सकता है.
It's a warning sign your body is
Yeah.
giving you. Similarly like this, when you have a hot and cold, आप कुछ खाते हो, हम सोचते हैं नहीं है ज़्यादा ठंडा होना है, तब लगा होगा. आइसक्रीम ज़्यादा ठंडी थी या पानी ज़्यादा ठंडा था. एंड अगर वो रेगुलरली लग रहा है, देखो एक नॉर्मल तो नहीं ना लगता, आप कुछ भी पी सकते हो, आप आइस क्यूब मुंह में रख लो वो ठंडी लगेगी, विच इज़ नॉर्मल. बट इफ यू आर जस्ट हैविंग अ नॉर्मल कोल्ड वाटर एंड दैट हर्ट्स यू, दैट मीन्स देयर इज समथिंग गोइंग रॉन्ग.
राइट राइट.
Don't wait. Only what happens with the teeth, the problem is it's a problem of a hard tissue. तो hard tissue में there is strength. जैसे जैसे cavity deep होती है वो it takes time. So it might take 6 months in a person, it might take 2 years, but then it will reach the inner core. Nerves के पास पहुंच गए, and by that time the problem is already big.
Yes.
In that stage, filling won't work. We will have to do a root canal treatment, then you'll have to go for a crown, and then, or maybe you will have to pull out.
एंड यूजुअली आई थिंक लोग तभी आते हैं आपके पास जब वो सिचुएशन पे आ
क्योंकि आप
जाते हैं.
जो बेसिक सिग्नल्स हैं, एवरीबडी, इट्स वेरी वेरी रेयर दैट यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम एंड देन यू कम अप विद अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम. There are signs and the body gives you, the teeth give you, but we ignore them.
Yes. So how frequently एक इंडिविजुअल को आपके पास आना चाहिए, like once in 6 months or once in a year to get their teeth checked?
See, normally once in a year, not in 6 months. We don't require, but there are few patients where we need to see them once in 6 months. Some people, like I told you, the genetic blueprint जिनका हो, ਜਾਂ some people who are chronically diabetic or have systemic diseases, their gums will go bad. So they need to come every 6 months. But majority of the public, the children, the adults, need to at least be sure once a year.
Yeah, right.
And the best way is to maybe put an alarm. आप ठीक चल रहे हो, आपको कभी याद नहीं रहता. ठीक है ना, एक अपना रूटीन कराओ. हम अपने आजकल देखो विद एजुकेशन व्हाट मिडिल क्लास एंड द हायर क्लास इज डूइंग, दे आर हैविंग देयर टेस्ट डन रेगुलरली.
Yes, absolutely.
ब्लड टेस्ट हम चाहते हैं, वी हैव अल्ट्रासाउंड्स डन, वी वांट दैट, वी नीड टू कैच एनीथिंग रॉन्ग गोइंग इन अ बॉडी बिफोर इट flares up. Similarly for the teeth. So maybe you
It's
can
so
fix
important.
up. No, you
Because
can fix up.
कहते हैं कि दांत की दर्द is actually very bad. So why to reach that stage? है ना?
No, this is true. I have my lady patients say, Doctor,
हाँ,
this was
it's
worse
either-
than giving birth.
Yes, delivery and they are compared. These pains are
Yes,
compared.
yes, yes.
So true.
But you don't learn from others' experience. You have to go through yourself. This is the truth. So जब आप एक बार हो जाता है, फिर आगे से आपको पता होता है कि now I have to take care. But you need to understand जब हम वी आर निगलेक्टिंग आवर हाइजीन, वी हैव 32 टीथ लेट्स से, तो ये तो थोड़ा कि ये एक अब हो रहा है बाकी ठीक रहेंगे, बाकी भी किसी ना किसी डिफरेंट स्टेज ऑफ निगलेक्ट में होंगे. So by the time you come, you might have one tooth which is giving you bad pain, but when I'll examine and say, I said you have maybe 10 cavities or 8 cavities. Oh, really? I don't have any problem. But this is how it is.
Right. So now we have electric toothbrushes.
Yes.
How do you feel? I mean, are they really good than the manual ones which we use usually? What is the difference?
देखो जी, मैं कहूँगा तो कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी. देखो, we need to understand why electric toothbrushes were developed. They were specifically developed for handicapped people. People who really can't brush and all. So you have a motion which is electric, and that helps, no doubt about it. Now a company which makes a product, you know, it's made them for handicapped people, that would be 2% of the population or maybe 3%.
Right.
Now you want to sell your product, there is a 97% other population, why can't you buy it?
Of course.
Right? So it's a personal choice. I would say if you like electric toothbrushes, please keep on doing it. But I usually don't recommend them.
Nothing better than the
Manual, you can do it
manual
much
thing,
better.
yes.
And I always recommend a smaller head. I use a baby brush. toothbrush.
Okay.
I don't use. You will have those advertisements of different shape, different it doesn't work. You need to have a smaller head. Anything which is easy to maneuver in your mouth. You have a bigger head and you just can't use it properly.
That's interesting.
No, you need to use a smaller head.
All right.
It doesn't take extra time, but then you can maneuver it properly, it will clean better.
अच्छा. So अब बच्चों का टूथब्रश हमें यूज
हाँ,
करना
but
चाहिए.
not exactly. बच्चों का आपको मिड साइज का भी
Yes.
बीच में मिलता है, which are you change your brush and you see the difference. You will appreciate what I told you.
I will certainly. Okay, so now tell me. Just you said that we eat food and we need to brush. So tell me about the breakfast thing. We should be brushing our teeth before breakfast, once we get up, or after breakfast.
देखिए, we need to brush in the morning. Because see, what happens during the night time is you're maybe sleeping for only 6 hours, or you're sleeping normal for 8 hours. The tongue movement is not there. You haven't eaten anything after your dinner. So the bacteria are going to be there. You are going to have some odor in your mouth. You are going to have plaque which will be on your tongue and on your teeth.
Right.
And if you eat, see, it's a very good question in this sense that patients do ask कि डॉक्टर साहब मैं रात को ब्रश करके सोया हूँ या सोई हूँ तो सुबह मैं ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद कर लूँ. It's a logical question, but then we have those secretions in our mouth. We need to remove them. So I would always say we need to brush in the morning. And if you are into a habit, you can maybe brush once you have breakfast. Again, you might not use a toothpaste half an hour after your breakfast.
What about oil pulling, sir?
Oil pulling is good. I see people. There are a lot of people who do these oil pulling and other techniques for normal health. I am for it. I never say no to them, but it has to be as an adjunct to your normal hygiene procedures like brushing and flossing. It's not a substitute for brushing and flossing.
Yes, right.
In addition, somebody has the time to do it. Why not? Oil pulling has effect because it has fats. Oil usually is the coconut oil, so it does absorb the bacteria. It removes the odor, and yes, if you are doing it, perfect, no problem at all. लोग बहुत कुछ करते हैं, कोई हल्दी से करता है, कोई फिटकरी यूज करते हैं. मैं कभी ना नहीं करता. मैं कहा वो करो, जरूर करो. You are doing it, good, that's fine. You are following some old age wisdom, it's good. We might not have that scientific data for it, but it is helping you. There's no ऐसा नुकसान नहीं है. But brushing के जरूर करनी है.
वो भी
वो जरूरी है.
वो
वो
बहुत
करनी है.
जरूरी
उसके
है,
साथ adjunct यूज करना.
एक मिथ है कि जब हम लोग ब्रश कर लेते हैं उसके जब हम रिंस करते हैं तो वो हमारे टूथपेस्ट का फ्लोराइड जो होता है उसको भी निकाल देता है, फिर कुछ बेनिफिट्स नहीं रहते. क्या ऐसा कुछ है?
देखो, हम ब्रश मैं आपको इसमें ना 2 चीज़ें समझाना चाहता हूँ. अगर हम देखें ना, वी डोंट नीड अ पेस्ट. वी कैन जस्ट डिप अ ब्रश इन प्लेन वाटर एंड ब्रश इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट वेल. हम कुछ भी खाएंगे, जैसे हमने पहले कहा कि कैविटीज़ क्यों होती हैं. हमने कुछ भी खाया, हमने आज सुबह कुछ खाया, ठीक है, और उसके बाद हम सारा दिन कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं, clean कर लिया, we might not have a plaque. But the moment we eat something, there's a thin layer which covers our teeth. And that includes the bacteria. So अगर आप regularly कर रहे हैं, आप brush को पानी में डुबो और आप you can clean your teeth. But the paste helps. Paste is like soap. It has a surfactant, so it removes that easily. So that's why we use a paste. But the drawback of using a paste is it gives you that freshness. So we always are in the wrong impression कि मुंह में freshness तो आ गई है, तो हमारे दांत clean हो गए. Clean तो तभी होंगे कि अगर ये टूथ है और मैंने पूरा किया है, पर मैंने इतना इतना कर लिया और ये छोड़ दिया, तो वो तो clean अपने आप तो होगा नहीं clean. ठीक है.
जैसे आजकल
पर इसमें आई एम सॉरी, पर इसमें हम अब पेस्ट में देन यू स्टार्ट एडिंग फ्लोराइड, बिकॉज फ्लोराइड इज गुड फॉर टीथ. सो वो फ्लोराइड एब्जॉर्ब होता है. मैं इसका एक अच्छा कंसेप्ट बताता हूँ. देखिए, हम कुछ टाइम लगा रहना चाहिए फॉर इट टू बी इफेक्टिव.
राइट.
सो आपने ब्रश किया, साथ में रिंस कर लिया, ऑब्वियसली दैट विल गेट रिमूव, बट वी हैव टू रिंस. यू कांट कैरी ऑन विद द टेस्ट ऑफ द पेस्ट. वी हैव टू रिंस. मैं सबको ये कहता हूँ और यूजुअली क्या कहता हूँ कि यू टेक पेस्ट, राइट, यूज अ फिंगर एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन योर माउथ, राइट, लीव इट फॉर 2 minutes एंड देन यू कैन ब्रश, dip it in water.
Okay.
Especially I recommend it for people who have sensitivity. It really works. So then this problem will not be there. It will be absorbed. You rinse your mouth after.
These days we get so many toothpaste. कितनी वैरायटी आ गई है मार्केट में टूथपेस्ट की. एंड कुछ मीठे भी होते हैं, राइट, डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स होते हैं. सो विच टूथपेस्ट इज एक्चुअली राइट?
I never recommend. I never recommend. Whatever suits you. People go for taste, right? Or people are impressed by the advertisements. Their celeb is advertising for it, so they want to use that. Children have their own choices. So I always say whatever paste you use. I don't believe in much of the paste. It's something like that. You buy a car and they say this will give you this mileage, but there is a very small disclaimer under test conditions. ठीक है ना? So if some paste gives you, it will give you a 12-hour protection. Yes, it will give you a 12-hour protection. Don't eat anything for 12 hours.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
सही बात
The
है.
moment you eat, there's a layer of plaque. So this is all marketing. Let's be very honest. Whatever paste you like. We have medicated paste, we have other things, but that depends on if you have disease in the mouth. What I am saying is this is for people who have good, healthy teeth and gums. उनके लिए it doesn't matter.
So now the next question. कितनी बार हमें अपना टूथब्रश चेंज करना चाहिए?
मैं आपसे पूछूं, अगर मैं लोगों सबसे पूछूं कितनी देर बाद करते हो?
I think I wait for the bristles. मुझे लगता है कि bristles खराब हो रहे हैं.
That's the answer. The moment the bristles change their shape, they ऊपर से गोल होने शुरू हो गए, that's the time to throw it off. That's the time to throw it. You want to use it for other, नाला डालने के लिए use करना कर लो, but it is not to be used for your teeth. I would even add to this, sometimes if you have had a very bad viral, like COVID था, जब कुछ ऐसा था, it would be better to change your brush.
अच्छा, right.
Right. It could be, because if you are having viruses and bacteria, those really communicable diseases for some time, it's better, or you clean it.
What about mouthwash? How effective are they?
I'm not a very big fan of mouthwash. We do recommend them wherever needed, but this concept of using a mouthwash every day, I'm not a very big fan of it.
Okay.
See, you have bacteria in your mouth, you have plaque in your mouth. There are two ways to remove it. Two ways to tackle it, not remove it. The best way is to use a physical method, which is a brush and flossing. You're removing the source. What is the mouthwash? It's a chemical, and most of them have alcohol. So what you're trying, you're not removing the plaque layer, you're suppressing the bacteria. So if you ask me and every day you're using it, the bacteria are going to get used to your mouthwash.
And what about floss?
Floss is a must.
Some people say that floss ज़्यादा लो तो आपकी spacing ज़्यादा हो जाती है.
लोग तो बहुत कुछ कहते हैं जी.
But that's not true. That's a myth.
I won't say that. I don't say that. लोग, पर बात ये है ना, लोग हमारी बात नहीं मानते हैं, लोगों की बात मानते हैं. जो एक्सपर्ट होता है उसकी बात नहीं माननी है. आई एम श्योर इट होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर यू ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना, जो उनको किसी मासी ने, किसी बुआ ने या किसी ने उन्होंने कहा है वो मानना है. जो एक्सपर्ट है, डॉक्टर है, उसकी बात नहीं माननी. फ्लॉस टीथ नेवर, योर टीथ आर फर्म. Now let's say your teeth have weakened over a period of time because of gum disease, because everything is linked. People don't go for cleaning, right? So slowly and slowly your teeth become weak, and when they move your space, you'll have spaces. So there's such a, you haven't asked. I'm sure you are going to ask this question. Maybe I'll leave this answer when you ask me that question.
So which everyday food you think जो actually आपके teeth को damage करता है? If we don't talk about chocolate, which is the next food.
देखिए, हर फूड डैमेज कर सकता है. एक बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है. लाइक चिल्ड्रन आए, बच्चे आएंगे, मदर्स आएंगे, इसको तो, ये तो ना टॉफ़ीज़ खाता है ना चॉकलेट्स खाता है, इसके दांत क्यों ख़राब हो रहे हैं? मैं उनको कहता हूँ जो भी कुछ खाता है वो स्टार्च है ना उसमें. स्टार्च क्या है? इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ शुगर.
Right. This
So
glucose.
anything which is stuck is going to cause. But everyday food जो मेरे हिसाब से सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान करता है, they are citrus fruits.
अच्छा. Because of the acidic nature.
Acidic nature. That's it. And again, depending on, children don't eat fruits. So my answer will not hold true for them. For them, it is the colas, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, the sodas, and the junk food, especially the chips. Anything which is refined, that is really damaging. Let's say our elders, they used to have food which was like Indian sweets or something, right? Comparatively, I'm saying, if I have to compare it with the chocolate or maybe candies and those,
Laddus.
Laddus, they were still better. Why?
Because of course होता है जो उनका.
That's one factor. But वो हमारे usually fat में तले होती हैं हमारी Indian sweets.
Okay.
So fat is what? Fat doesn't melt in the mouth. Its breakdown starts once it
In the digestive system, right?
Digestive system. So at least your sugar is covered by a fat molecule, right? But you have a refined thing, refined sugar. Now,
That's
अगर हम
very sad.
sugar और गुड़ की बात करें, jaggery की, sugar is more harmful, right? So it starts breakdown in your
Yeah.
oral cavity.
Yes.
So that's one factor.
Absolutely.
That's a very important factor. But these things are immaterial if you clean them. They are only for a few seconds or a minute or so. But anything which sticks. Why is these candies so bad? Because they stick. And they will stay there. That's what is the second problem.
Right. I think this question is related, जो आपसे आपने अभी बताया, but like there's few people who keep on sipping coffee the entire day. So I think, is that bad, or just once a day if they're having a coffee?
See, I told you, what happens is whenever you have anything, your pH decreases. So having a lot many cups of coffee is far more harmful than having one strong cup of coffee.
Right. So does diet have a part in reversing the cavities in the early stage?
Diet has a part, but that is, diet alone cannot reverse. You will need professional help. See, what starts happening is when you why are you having early cavities? The first step again is the acid production. We need to understand a concept. You have eaten food, the bacteria are feasting now.
Yeah, they're
Maybe
creating.
you enjoyed, you had a feast for 5 minutes. The bacteria are going to do it for the whole of the night. They are going to feast on it, and the byproduct is acid.
Acid, yes.
That's what causes damage. तो हमें वो नहीं चाहिए.
Right.
So that's the biggest problem.
There are some people, जिनका foul smell आता है, despite of the fact कि they are brushing, पूरा hygiene maintain करते हैं, पर फिर भी उनके foul smell आता है. Why so?
It's nice question, जी. देखो, foul smell ना 90% of the times is because of bad gums or cavities in the mouth where food is stuck. But there are other reasons also. So, like if you ask this question, a person who's having a good hygiene means the mouth is healthy and is still having this bad odor. It can be either because of they're not cleaning the tongue properly, right? Or it can be a throat problem, tonsils, that is respiratory tract, or it can be a GI issue,
Okay.
digestion issues usually. But most of the times, 9 out of 10 patients, it is because of a bad breath. Now, but if you have a diseased mouth where people are brushing well, but within half an hour, 20 minutes, they still start having that, that is because of bad gums. They need professional help. They might not only need cleaning, they might need gum surgery also to correct it.
Okay.
Yeah.
At what age should a child visit a dentist? The very first visit.
Between 6 months to 1 year.
Oh, usually 6 months to 1 year maximum एक या दो या तीन दांत maximum
So what?
आते हैं. Okay,
You need to.
that's interesting.
See, so we have been discussing this. The moment a tooth comes out, it is exposed to the external environment. It is safe till it is inside the gum tissue. The moment it comes, it is exposed to bacteria, and the bacteria are in millions, in billions. They will start working, and you are having milk, and this is the biggest problem the parents face.
Yes.
All you need to, you don't want to, if you your child is not ready for brushing, the easiest way is take a muslin cloth or a linen thing and wipe it off, clean it. You don't need to use a paste for that, a 6-month-old, but you need to clean it. The thing that the child is having the milk and slowly having other food also, and you don't clean it, and the child is not going to rinse. It's the role of the parents to take care of that. So that's the biggest mistake a lot of people make. You need between 6 months and 1 year. See, the milk teeth start erupting from 6 months, and the whole set comes within 2 years, right? तो कईयों के लेट आते हैं. So that's why I'm giving you a range of 6 months to 1 year.
Nice. Why are wisdom teeth such a problem? मतलब 40s, 45, 50. I almost hear everybody, my friends, my patients, कि wisdom teeth निकाल रहे हैं हम, दर्द हो रही है. Why so?
पहले तो मेरे को ये बताओ उसको wisdom teeth क्यों कहते हैं?
आप बताएंगे?
मेरे सबसे बड़ा आपने एक क्वेश्चन तो किया, बट पीपल आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ गेटिंग देम रिमूव. पीपल फील कि यार विजडम टीथ निकालने से कहीं विजडम तो नहीं कम हो जाएगी. बिलीव मी, this is the truth. At times I am surprised when people have, maybe they don't ask it so openly,
हाँ.
but I can see it on their face कि उनको लग रहा है. फिर मैं उनको कहता हूँ जी इस पे दिमाग पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आंखों पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, किसी चीज पे कोई फर्क नहीं. See, wisdom teeth erupt at the age of normally at the age of 15 years, 16 years. So we always feel that the child who's maturing, उसको wisdom अकल आ जाती है इस एज में.
वो एक स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ है जिसको हम इसके थ्रू
हम इसके साथ रिलेट कर लेते हैं
Yeah.
कि अब बच्चा मैच्योर हो गया, अकल वाला हो गया, तो उसी वक्त आ रहा है, तो इसकी अकल जाड़ आ रही है. देखो प्रॉब्लम क्यों आ रही है. बायोलॉजी की बुक्स देखें ना, एंड प्री हिस्टोरिक अपने ह्यूमंस देखें, दे हैड अ बिग पाउट अहेड लाइक अ मंकी, लाइक अ एप. अब हमारे तो नहीं है, but the number of teeth are same. So as we are growing, or with every next generation, our size of the jaw has shrunk. So there's that lack of space, and wisdom tooth is the last tooth to come, so it doesn't get the space to come out. So now till it is lying inside, it doesn't cause any problem. Believe me, I don't believe it causes any problems. The doctors in America and Europe think otherwise, but in my 34 years of practice, I've seen it doesn't cause any problem. But as we grow, as we age, there is a mesial migration of all the teeth.
अच्छा.
हमारे दांत because of the forces थोड़े बाहर को आते हैं, and slowly sometimes the space is created, and that just starts peeking out. That tooth, the moment it comes partially out, that is the source of problem there.
Okay.
Because now it is a site for food impaction. It's something like this. Your tooth is here, this is right tight, now you have a space between the gums, and the food goes in, and then the infection occurs.
And then
And
that
once
is-
the infection occurs, there is swelling goes till the throat. You can't gulp, you can't eat, it hurts, and then that swelling gets crushed between your teeth, and then the whole vicious cycle starts, and it's very painful. So आप अगर कुछ पी रहे हो तब भी दुख रहा है, खा रहे हो तब भी दुख रहा है, सो रहे हो तब भी दुख रहा है, फिर नानी तो तब याद आती है और डेंटिस्ट भी तब याद आता
बिल्कुल.
है. That's why. And then it's a surgical. It's not only this problem.
Yes.
You have to remove it. It's usually a surgical process. It's not like a normal extraction. Or when you give an incision or you do a surgical process, it has a healing phase. वो भी 5-6 दिन लगता है, इसलिए तंग करता है. तो आते हुए भी तंग करता है और जाते हुए भी तंग करता है.
What about thumb sucking? क्या is it harmful or it is okay?
Both. It's helpful till 5 years.
अच्छा.
Every child doesn't suck, but if somebody is doing, it's okay. But after 5 years, it's very harmful. See, it's a normal psychological reflex. Child के लिए क्या है कि जी, it's I think when the child sucks a thumb, it's feeling secure. It's a sense of security. It's a normal reflex. And it usually, I have seen it happens in the second siblings or maybe even the first siblings, because today's time what is happening is parents are very busy. The child feel insecure. तो उनको thumb sucking के साथ relief मिलता है. और ये instinct as the child grows finish हो जाता है. But if it linger on, why after 5 years? Because that is the time the new teeth start coming up, the permanent dentition, right? And then if you are a vigorous thumb sucker, they'll be pushed out. So फिर आपके dentition पे फर्क पड़ेगा. Even the bone gets, because नई जो bone बन रही है, फिर वो skeletal changes भी आ जाते हैं, bone भी बाहर आ जाती है. Then that has problems with the dentition, with the aesthetics, with the speech.
Oh.
So it's harmful. But till 5 years,
It's okay.
if it is happening till 5 years, let it be. What I have seen is what parents do is they start punishing the child. Punishing the child. आप उसको टोक रहे हो बार बार, निकालो बाहर में, and you're doing it in front of everybody. The child already is in an inferiority complex. The children who usually do are insecure children. You have 2 siblings in the house, and the younger one feels I am not being loved. Maybe the elder one is sleeping with the parents, और मेरे को जगह नहीं मिल रही है. So that's a sign of security for them. और अब आप सबके सामने उसको टोक रहे हो, तो वो तो और inferior करेगा. फिर you put those liquids, you put those gels, आप उसके टेप कर देते हो, वो तो punish कर रहे हो आप उसको ज़्यादा और insecure कर रहे हो. Go into the basic कि क्यों हो रहा है, उसको busy करो. मैं तो कहता हूँ बच्चों को, if she is a girl, make her busy with yourself. कोई चलो उसको busy करके कुछ आर्ट में लगा दो, कोई हैबिट में लगा दो, नहीं है तो किचन में बच्चों को ले जाओ, कुछ कर दो, कोई एक्सरसाइज दे दो, कोई ड्राइंग करा लो, कुछ करो. एंड यू नोटिस whenever they are busy they won't
Not do it. Yes.
When they are alone, or then only they will do it. So that's it. Till 5 years I will say you should not be worried about it. It is our fears which we transfer to our children. और जितना हम उनको रोकेंगे उतना ज़्यादा वो हैबिट बढ़ती है.
Right. So sir, what about aligners as well as the braces? आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में है, and I see every teenager they have something or the other. Which is good, and why are we putting it?
See, to be honest, in today's time where the aesthetics have changed, nearly every teenager needs correction of the teeth. Because earlier teeth were meant only for function. Now they are meant for aesthetics. हर एक ने selfie लेनी है, ठीक है ना? The smile has to be perfect.
Yes.
So they need it. So there are many ways of doing it. Braces are in place for so many hundreds of years, so many decades. Sorry. So they work. But now as technology evolves, you have aligners also. The advantage with the aligners is they are not visible. But we have to take a call whether visibility is more important. Like if you are a 13-year-old, for me, visibility is not that important. You go for your normal braces and get the results. Invisalign also gives you these aligners also give you results. But if you are a 50-year-old or a 40-year-old, aligners would be my line of preference. But aligners are expensive. Pretty expensive as compared to the braces.
Charcoal toothpaste, it's in trend. So आपका क्या take है?
Throw it in the dustbin. throw it in the dustbin. Believe me, these are fads, these are myths, which influencers will do it and people will follow it blindly. I won't advise. See, charcoal is what? It's a coarser particle. Coarser particle is going to damage your teeth. Definitely going to damage your teeth. Yes, because you're using a coarser particle, it might remove some stains, but it's definitely those stains are going to come 10 times faster back because you've scratched your surface.
Right.
So it's going to absorb more stains. Not at all. I will not recommend.
Scaling, does it damage the tooth? True or false?
The biggest myth, never, never. You need to have your teeth clean. And scaling is a wrong word. It's descaling. But we follow it because आम बंदे को समझ आनी चाहिए क्या कह रहे हैं. Scaling is applying scales. We are removing the scales. आपको करवाना चाहिए, रेगुलरली करवाना चाहिए. हमारी कंट्री में तो नहीं करते हैं, पर आप यूरोप, अमेरिका में जाओ, you go for a regular cleaning maybe after 3 months, 6 months. कोई रीज़न है तभी करवाते हैं ना. बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज आप प्रॉपरली क्लीन नहीं कर पाते हो. यू नीड प्रोफेशनल हेल्प. और एक बार आप क्लीन करवा लेते हो तो वो ज़ीरो से फिर स्टार्ट करते हो. आपने 5 साल नहीं करवाया है तो आपके पत्थर जम जाते हैं, जिसको कैल्कुलाई कहते हैं. दे इन द बाइल डक्ट भी बनते हैं, किडनी में भी स्टोन्स बनते हैं, ऐसे मुंह में भी बनते हैं. दे डैमेज, दे आर हार्बरिंग योर बैक्टीरिया. कभी क्लीनिंग कराने से दांत नहीं हिलते हैं. होता क्या है, व्हाट हैपेंस इज पीपल डोंट डू इट फॉर ईयर्स and then they start having some bleeding gums or they have some problems, and then when they go to a dentist वो कहता है जी आपके तो deposits हैं. अब deposits ने क्या किया है, they have already caused 50% of the bone loss. It's something like this. This is what were your gums like, this teeth. This has gone down. Now you just have this much of bone. And what a dentist is doing, he's removing your extra material. And you are coming back to your natural place. So जो calculus आपको एक artificial strength दे रहा था वो निकल गया. Now your teeth are in your natural position and they are mobile. That's why people relate कि जी मैंने cleaning कराई थी और मेरे दांत हिल गए. It's not the dentist. It is your own fault. You haven't had it done. I always, maybe I'm prolonging it, but I had one patient which I never forget. Explain किया, I spent time with them कि नहीं ये आपका नुकसान नहीं करेगा. नहीं डॉक्टर साहब ये नहीं ऐसे. मैं कहा चलो जी आई डू इट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर यू, बट विद एक राइडर है, आई डू ओनली हाफ द साइड. हाफ नहीं करेंगे, 2 साल में बात करेंगे. तो फ्री था तो उन्होंने करवा लिया हाफ साइड. एंड आफ्टर दैट शी एग्रीड कि माय दिस साइड इज मच बेटर देन द लेफ्ट वन. I can't do it on my patients.
Yes.
But sometimes you have to really help people. It's a challenge
to make them understand.
No, it's a challenge because they hit you bad. मतलब वो मानते ही नहीं, लॉजिक ही नहीं समझते हैं. Why will I do something with half in a patient's mouth and not do half? I am not doing something right. But वो करवाना ही नहीं चाहते. मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रहा हूँ कि आपका अगर इसमें कुछ खराब होगा, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट. बिकॉज देन इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि ऐसे पेशेंट्स को समझाना, because then they tomorrow might be able to help a lot of people in their family.
Okay, so if my teeth are good, nothing hurts, do I still need to visit the dentist?
Yes. 9 out of 10, yes. Like I told you, the older generation of 80s, even if they didn't visit, somehow their genetics was very good. And their diet has been very perfect. They might have missed it, but in today's time, especially in the urban areas, everybody should visit a dentist once a year. Don't wait for the problem to occur. See, आपका पेट कुछ खाया है, within few minutes or few hours it will respond with some ache or something. आप कुछ खा रहे हो, it's a heart tissue. Heart tissue आपको दर्द नहीं करता. जब तक वो प्रॉब्लम करेगा, after it will take 6 months, 1 year, depending on your immunity, तब तक the problem is 10-fold increased. So if you go and there's a small cavity developing and it is not giving you any hot and cold or any sweet tooth, any pain, dentist will advise you have it filled up. Easy, smaller hole to fill up, cheaper, right? Without pain. But by the time you will go with the sensitivity or other issues, it's a deeper cavity. You might end up with a root canal. You will have to go for a crown. It's going to be expensive, and maybe you have lost the tooth also. Yeah. And if you have lost the tooth, then you would require an implant.
Yes,
more expensive
and more painful.
No, I won't say pain. Today's time, pain nahi hai.
Acha.
अगर पेन हो भी, डू यू हैव अ चॉइस?
No. No choice. Yeah.
अगर आपने अपने आप को करना है, दैट्स योर फॉल्ट. यू लेट इट हैपन दैट वे. Pain is not a criteria. Pain might have been a criteria, right? Not today. Not with the technology we have. It's a fear, yes. People are afraid of pain. And they come only when the pain is more than what they fear. तब वो आते हैं, तब तक वो delay करते रहते हैं. Pain is not a criteria. Pain is, see, you have such beautiful local anesthesias. They're so effective. And even if you have just a pain of a prick, like a mosquito bite, for a fraction of a second, comfortable आपके पास.
A very important question. We usually see kids or maybe some elderly people also grinding their teeth while they're sleeping. So is it actually stress?
Yes, definitely stress.
Even the younger
It's
kids.
a very big problem, and we are unaware of it. Very unaware of it. When you're doing it night, it's called as bruxism, and nearly I think everybody goes through it. So
But why young kids? Like they are probably 4-year-old, 5-year-old. You think they have stress?
मैं आपसे पूछूं, आप अपने एज में आप कितनी जल्दी, आपके अगर फ्रेंड्स नहीं होते थे, what you could have stayed alone. ठीक है ना, we had so many other activities to do. आज के बच्चे तो अगर कोई नहीं, किसी ने लाइक किया, कुछ नहीं किया, तो they feel they are. कभी डिप्रेशन का नाम सुना था आपने?
No, never.
Now these kids are all, most of the kids are in depression. They behave like they are in a depression. So things have changed. हमें लगता है कि इनको क्या स्ट्रेस है, उनको स्ट्रेस, हमें तो पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस होता था कि नहीं आज पढ़े और मम्मा ने आगे पूछ लिया तो मार पड़ेगी. ये स्ट्रेस होता था. ये बच्चे पढ़े ना पढ़े, इनको तो स्ट्रेस नहीं. इनको तो ये है कि आज मेरे को फ्रेंड नहीं है, मेरा फ्रेंड वहाँ पे कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे में बैठ के पी रहा, मैं तो गया ही नहीं, वो 3 इकट्ठे हुए, मैं नहीं है. कितना स्ट्रेस होता होगा. Everybody is in stress जी, basically, and the children are like आपके घर का माहौल स्ट्रेसफुल हो सकता है, and that creeps into your children. And plus, not only that, another thing which we don't see is the cartoons.
Okay.
We used to see Tom and Jerry, I'm sure,
Yes,
or Tintin,
yes.
or these type of things. आज के cartoons देखो आप, there's so much of violence in those cartoons also. That affects, और बच्चे टीवी देख के सोते, खाना कार्टून के बगैर वो खाना नहीं खा सकते. And the parents want them to watch that, and then they can keep on feeding them. Otherwise वो खाएंगे नहीं, और आप करके सोते हो. That has an effect. मैं पीछे धुरंधर देख के आया हूँ, ठीक है जी. I went for the evening show. Night time मेरे मूवी घूमती रही दिमाग में.
Yes.
And the next
It does.
morning,
And young kids, young minds are so sensitive
definitely.
to all these things.
What I'm trying to say is, the last thing you're doing it, you're sleeping with that, and that has sweat. And this, see, your muscles, you need to sleep properly during the REM cycles. You relax. अब REM cycles भी sleep के छोटे होते जा रहे हैं, तो basically your muscles are under stress, and that leads to headaches. A lot of headaches are because of this is a vicious cycle. You can't blame one thing for it, but there are so many factors in it. So that habit of reading before, or not watching TV, or having less screen times, those days are over. उठ के हम सबसे पहले, it's a bad habit, but I also do it. The moment I get up, the first thing I see is my phone.
Yes. So, sir, as you mentioned, कि आजकल everyone is so obsessed about their looks, right? And for that we are going through veneers, we are going through braces. क्या कोई और तरीका है जिससे हम अपनी स्माइल को enhance कर सकते हैं? Because it is important for everyone to look good.
100%. People today, the most emphasis, as we are discussing, is on their looks, how the teeth look rather than how they function. It is important. See, it is important. Like if you have a Vajpayee type of smile where the teeth are not visible, it's a totally different outlook.
Yes.
But if you see nearly all the celebs, what I see is they have had their work done on. I can pick up that they are something artificial done in their mouth, right?
Absolutely.
So yes, there are so many other procedures, but then it all depends on your professional, right? If you have teeth which are like protruded, I today will advise only aligners or braces. But if you have a 1 tooth or two teeth rotation, something, they can be corrected with veneers also, with crowns also. But sometimes, see, there are a lot of people living in the Sangrur belt, Bathinda belt, which have floor roast teeth or yellowish teeth, which cannot be treated with bleaching and all. So they wouldn't require veneers, and their smile can be. There are a lot of patients who don't have the teeth in the proper shape, rounded shape, peg laterals. There again, a dentist can do a wonderful job in increasing your smile and confidence. Definitely, yes, so many procedures. And they're all nice procedures, if perfectly done, they enhance your smile. Nobody can make out that you have artificial teeth. And also, see, we have to go, when you somehow has a mishap, like you end up with an accident or something. So many people come with broken teeth. And this happens a lot with the children. They are cycling, permanent tooth has come out and it breaks. So they have to live the whole life. So that with the technology, new materials, excellent work.
Wow.
You can't make out.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's very nice.
And it's very satisfying when you change a person's smile. I have seen so many patients, when I talk to them, I will ask them to smile because I need those pre-photographs. They don't smile. They can't. But afterwards, next time they come, no, especially the girls, next time they come, they'll have a dark colored lipstick on it, and then that you can see that smile. So now I have made it a habit that the post picture I'll take it on the next appointment, because उस appointment में smile नहीं आती, next time natural अच्छी smile आती.
Nice. So what is your take about apple cider vinegar? आजकल लोग बहुत ले रहे हैं for weight loss.
बिल्कुल नहीं. See, as I say, a lot of food might be good for your health, but then they're the worst for your teeth. Like we talked about citrus fruits. They are acidic in nature. So I say, if somehow you still want to take it, then take it with a straw. And immediately rinse. The contact with the teeth should be bare minimum. Given a choice, I will not. I have seen so many patients who have come after taking this, and they never had a dental problem. Now they have that much of sensitivity that eating normal food is a problem for them.
My God.
So these home remedies or these influencer type remedies, you need to have a professional help before you start using. This is nice because we are not talking about any treatment part. This is, I think, कहीं एक part ये add कर सकते हैं. It's a social thing which I would say, where I would like to say this thing. I see a lot of come to me at the age of 24, 25, and now they have bad teeth. They have crooked teeth. Now they want immediate results. So it's something which I really feel about it is that the parents with girl children, they please need to take care of their looks early in life. Don't keep it till 25. See, what happens is I often get a family who comes to my clinic with a photograph.
अच्छा.
हाँ, डॉक्टर साहब इसके दांत अच्छे हो जाएंगे, ठीक हो जाएंगे. Everything else is okay, but now that वो जो है रिश्ता totally dependent on the teeth.
Oh, अच्छा.
Oh, this is a social problem. So बच्चों को, पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चों के, बेटियों के दांत तो अच्छे लगते हैं, पर प्रॉब्लम तब आती है जब मैरिज के बाद. तो अब उस वक्त ब्रेसेस विल टेक टाइम. Yeah, if you want to incorporate somewhere this one, or we can leave it.
So let's come to our rapid fire round, sir. I would expect you to answer in one word or maybe a line.
hopefully you don't have trick questions. Oh.
Right. So manual or electric brush?
Definitely manual.
Rinse after brushing, yes or no?
Yes.
Floss or mouthwash? Which is more important?
Definitely floss.
Sugar or acid?
Both.
Bigger enemy?
Bigger enemy is acid. Sugar also converts into acid.
Charcoal toothpaste?
No.
Hard brush or soft brush?
Soft, definitely. Never hard brush.
Morning or night brushing? More important?
Both.
Equally important?
No, night is more important. Morning and evening, night both. But if somebody wants to just do it once, night is more important.
Dental checkup every 6 months, necessary or an option?
6 months is optional, necessary 1 year.
One habit you wish everyone followed?
Flossing.
One mistake you see in 90% of your patients?
They feel that the foods which are good for their health are also good for their teeth.
Nice. So, sir, in the end, if you could just give us one dental advice to every Indian household, what would it be?
Follow whatever regime you want, but have professional help. And put good habits, oral hygiene habits in your children. The way you have lived, the way you have taken care of teeth, please make sure the children don't do that. And snacking habit in between needs to be reduced. And if you're snacking, your child is snacking, or you are doing it, make it a point to rinse your mouth. And if you're eating, wait for half an hour before you brush or you rinse your mouth vigorously. We have a food, we can rinse our mouth normally, but some people are in the habit of swishing it very hard. You can do it after half an hour.
Thank you so much.
You're
sir.
welcome, Ji.
It's been an enlightening session,
Man,
and I'm sure my viewers would learn something out of it.
no, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Pleasure.
Thank you for calling me. It was a wonderful, wonderful morning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.